Hey, I know you're really busy right now, but I'm going to give you a tool that you can use in any situation to make sure that you come out the other side better, including how you can increase your income in any job. I'm Dr. Lewis Haydon, coach to very high income earners. So what is Socratic questioning? I'm going to deliver this in 3 minutes so I don't waste any of your time and we get straight to the point. Socratic questioning, well, if you think back to Socrates, Greek philosopher, the way he used to influence people so much is to ask deep questions that got them to think and process, and then they would come up with the answer that's built on their version of the world. You see, the challenge is when you're talking and you're making statements, that's your view of the world. And unless they have a parallel world that they're seeing everything that you do, they are not going to always see your same opinion. So you need to do it in a way that they come up with the answers and not you. So that is the whole basis of Socratic questioning. And by the way, if you want a template for this, just type ebook in the comments below. I'll send you a ebook with Socratic questioning as well, so you can test it out and build it yourself. And also, if you want a bit more depth in a video, type video and I'll create a longer video for you on Socratic questioning. So an example of Socratic questioning could be like this camera that I'm recording on right now. If I was selling this camera, a bad way of doing it would be, hey, look, this is a 4K Sony, whatever the it is, camera. This will do this job. Yeah, that's just a statement, right? A Socratic question would be, hey, see you're into video. What sort of video do you think is some of the best in the world? Okay, what sort of brands are they? Well, there's Canon, there's Sony. Okay, so there's Sony. Have you ever seen a Sony camera in recording and what it can actually do? No, I haven't actually. Well, have you seen the latest film, blah, 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 on Netflix? They filmed it all on Sony. You see what I'm doing is I'm creating that to come up with the answers in their mind. They are short answers, but to go into a lot more depth, you would want to ask questions that really get into their world so they create long answers. Remember, the more that they talk, they're also becoming emotionally invested as well. So you need to start to get your Socratic questions, just get some basic ones and try using it more in everyday conversation. And by doing that, you're going to start to get better in how you just do this in, normal. So it doesn't feel unnatural at all. And then you'll start to be able to use it in your job, and then also how you can start to use it in increasing your income. So it's the boss's idea to promote you, pay you more, give you more commission, whatever it may be. And it's also very good in sales as well. In fact, I have a video on that of how to do sales the right way without being pushy. So you can go and check that video out as well. The link is right here if you want to go and see that. Go check it out now.